saving is a problem globally. And I think it gives, and this is one of the things that really got us into this industry, because more and more people are getting into their 60s and 70s and realizing that they don't have enough money to maintain the standard of living that they wanted. I've seen far too many people die from financial stress to not want to see this different in our country. Now, so what's the money move? The money move is you need to get to a point where you get in touch with what about you is special, and how can I commercialize that creativity? Are you with me? And when I've commercialized that creativity, how do I turn it into a recurring income stream, right? How do I get it to a point where the money comes in whether or not I'm doing the work? We good so far? And one of the ways we can begin to do that and begin to build futures is the banking system and the trust issues there. But one of the things that I think we've built that's amazing is these SACCOs or the rounds or the Mocellos, those money clubs. Do you guys know that ABSA is just a polished version of a money club? Those big banks, because they do exactly the same thing. The only difference between these huge banks and us in money clubs is these big banks actually believe that they can build something remarkable by pulling together money. Us, on the other hand here, we think we can buy nice pots by putting together money. We are dreaming low. Are you with me? And in a country like ours, where your money disappears every 5 to 10 years, you need to find a trust network. Money clubs are community wealth generating machines. Find a community of people with like values, build a trust system, social collateral there that makes sure that people are invested in doing well. And what you'll find is, you can begin to create systems. I think it's unfortunate that some of the examples I could have given, the trust capital ran out and the people didn't do what they were supposed to do. But there are money clubs that have built houses for each other. There are money clubs that have started businesses. If you can create a community like that, you can create money machines at a rate that is faster than most nations could ever do. So this, if you're a Zimbabwean, is the way I'm going about it. I'm creating money clubs with my community, and we are building stuff. We're buying property, we're buying shares, and we're doing things together because collectively we can do more than when I try and do it alone. We leverage that Ubuntu, but we don't leverage it just to talk about nice stories. We leverage it to create wealth. And you know, when communities change, you guys know that you can collectively come together, build something remarkable. Even the politics of the land will bend over to a functioning system. Are you with me? So that's my story on money clubs. And what you want to do is you want to start automating your savings. Make up your mind and say, every time I make a bit of money, I'm going to put something aside, right? I'm going to put this, even if, like, we've done this for holidays. We've done this for kids' school fees, right? Our parents used to do it. They just didn't put a name to it. Automate it, give it a name, and keep doing it in the good times and the bad times. Are we together? And then the next thing is you want to diversify your income. I like the fact that we've got people who are multi-talented in this room. Don't be a one-trick pony that just says the job they gave me is to do this. Find out what in that job do you do very well, and how can I multiply the number of people, the number of industries that can benefit from this skill set. Are you with me? Storytelling is storytelling everywhere. If you master that up, you can use it in any environment. So diversifying your income streams is saying, okay, look, today I write a book. And the book, people like that book. Tomorrow, I speak about the book that I've written. And if people like the way I'm speaking, tomorrow I create a course associated to the book that I've created. Can you see it? Yeah. Many of us create one thing and we're like, no, I'll leave it. Yeah. But what we should be doing is, instead of getting bored with it, get paid with it. Right. Get paid with it. If people are saying, let the market tell you, this is a beautiful time that we're in. Like, social media allows you to have your audience give you the answers that you are looking for. So if people are letting you know, and you get it by asking questions and seeing people's reactions, you can actually build a business much simpler than what you are thinking you need to be doing. So look at things like coaching, affiliates, because if you don't have anything that some of you say, I don't have any ideas, I'm not creative, I don't have anything. There are people who've created things that are looking for other people to sell those things. Become a seller of other people's gifts. And in the process of doing that, you'll begin to find what your gift is. Even if it means volunteering for a season. Do you know what volunteering does? It gives you a front row seat to what works and also what doesn't work. And when you finally built enough confidence to understand that this works, you can do something that works for you.